Hello friends, welcome to Crazy Crochet World. Let's see some beautiful crochet center table cover design model. A crochet center table cover is a beautiful way to bring handmade charm, creativity and timeless elegance into your home. With delicate stitches, floral motifs, vintage borders and a variety of colors, a simple table can instantly become a cozy and eye-catching focal point. In this video, let's explore some beautiful crochet center table cover design, colors and decorating inspiration that can make your table look truly special. A crochet center table cover is a handmade decorative piece made by crocheting yarn into patterns and placing it in the center of a dining table, coffee table, side table or occasional table. It is often used as a beautiful focal point while also protecting the tabletop from minor scratches and dust. Main features: handmade texture. Crochet stitches create a soft, delicate, three-dimensional surface. Decorative patterns. Popular designs include flowers, leaves, stars, shells, geometric motifs, and traditional lace patterns. Different shapes, they can be round, oval, square, rectangular, or runner style. Color choices, neutral shades give an elegant traditional look, while cream, dusty rose, blue, or yellow can add a charming country cottage touch. Edging, scalloped, floral, peacock, or lace-like borders can make the cover look more finished. It is especially suitable for vintage cottage farmhouse, country, shabbatic, and cottagecore interiors. Here are some useful crochet center table cover tips for creating a beautiful and practical design. First, choose the right size. Measure your table before starting. The cover should complement the table without looking too small or overwhelming. Next, pick a suitable shape. Round covers work beautifully on round tables, while rectangular or oval design suits longer tables. Use quality yarn. Cotton yarn is a great choice because it is durable, breathable, and gives crochet patterns a neat appearance. Choose a vintage color palette like cream, ivory, beige, soft green, dusty pink, and muted blue. Can create a lovely vintage or cottage-inspired look. Try floral patterns like crochet flowers, leaves, and botanical motifs can give the table cover a charming country cottage character. Add a decorative border, a scalloped, peacock, shell, or lace-like edged can make a simple table cover look much more elegant. Keep the center pattern balanced. If you plan to place a vase or centerpiece on top, avoid making the central design too visually crowded. Combine simple and detailed stitches. Use a combination of basic stitches and decorative open work to create texture without making the design look messy. Block your finished page. Blocking helps the crochet cover settle into its instead shape and makes the pattern look cleaner. Match it with your room. Coordinate the yarn color and pattern with your curtains, tableware, cushions, or other vintage decor for a cohesive look. Keep maintenance in mind. Choose washable yarn. Follow its care instructions so the table cover can be cleaned easily. Add a nostalgic touch. For a classic grandma-inspired style, try a traditional lace pattern with a simple cream or white yarn. Purpose of a crochet center table cover. A crochet center table cover is primarily a decorative textile placed in the middle of a table. It can make an ordinary table feel warmer, more handmade, and more inviting, while adding visual interest to the room. Popular crochet patterns There are many patterns if you can choose from, such as floral and leaf motifs, daisy or rose patterns, sunburst designs, mandala-inspired patterns or pineapple lace patterns, shell and fan stitches, and geometric or repeating patterns. Perfect for vintage decor. Crochet naturally works well with vintage and nostalgic interiors. A cream-colored lace cover on a wooden table, paired with a small ceramic vase and fresh flowers, can create a classic old-fashioned atmosphere. Great for cottage and farmhouse style. For cottage or farmhouse decorating, choose natural-looking colors and traditional patterns. A handmade crochet piece can soften the appearance of a wooden table and complement other textiles in the room. Experiment with colors. You don't have to use only white. Consider cream and sage green for a vintage cottage look, beige and dusty rose for a romantic appearance, white and pale blue for a fresh country style, natural beige for a rustic farmhouse feel. Different construction styles. A table cover can be crocheted as one continuous piece or assembled from individual motifs. Motif-based designs can be especially interesting because individual flowers, squares, or circles can be joined together to create a larger pattern. Use it as a centerpiece base instead of covering the entire table. A smaller crochet piece can act as a decorative base beneath a flower arrangement, small lamp, ceramic vase, or decorative bowl. This keeps the table looking organized while highlighting the handmade piece. Layering creates more character. For a vintage look, you can layer a crochet center cover over a simple wooden or fabric table surface and a small bucket, an antique style tray, or a few carefully chosen decorative objects without overcrowding the table. Handmade character. One of the biggest attractions of crochet table covers is their handmade appearance. Slight variations in stitches can give the piece a unique character that most product decorations often don't have. Practical considerations. Before making one, think about table size, yarn thickness, washing requirements, and how frequently the table is used. A more open lace design may be ideal for decoration, while a denser crochet pattern can be more suitable for everyday use. A crochet center table cover is therefore more than just a table accessory. It can become a small focal point that brings handmade warmth, vintage charm, and personality to a room. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!